Hi everyone. So in my last video, I mentioned that I would share with you an updated regimen for my hair if my Sisterlock consultant approved of it. And so for the most part, she did approve of the regimen. So I do want to share it with you. So in my most recent regimen video, it was a little bit long and that I had about, oh my gosh, 6 or 7 different things I was doing to my hair based upon a conversation that I had with an additional consultant that wasn't my primary consultant. And if you may recall from that video, my consultant basically said that it was too much moisture for my hair, especially because my hair is still in the process of locking. So I wanted to try to find a regimen that was more simplified and had less products so that I could support the locking process but still maintain the overall hygiene and health of my hair. So I wanted to share with you the 2 products, that's right, 2 products that I use to maintain my Sisterlocks now. I've been doing this for almost 2 months now, and my consultant for the most part approved, and she just had one small change she wanted me to make, and so I'll share with you what that change is as well. So the 2 products I have is a shampoo and also a refresher spray, and both products are from the Sisterlock brand of products. So the shampoo that I've actually gone back to is the starter shampoo. Now I am actually way outside of the newbie stage of my locks, so I'll be 2 years of my lock anniversary is on December 1st, and I have chosen to use different shampoos in between using the starter shampoo at the beginning of my journey. But I've gone back to it because I needed a clarifying shampoo that wasn't too moisturizing, but also didn't really strip my hair of everything because I'm not using a lot of products in my hair and I don't have a lot of buildup to get rid of and things of that nature. And so I found that the starter shampoo for my hair is a milder but effective clarifying shampoo. Now, during these past 2 months, I had been using this product once a month. And my consultant felt my hair and felt like, you know what, I have too much sebum in my hair or the oil from my scalp. So she recommended trying this every 2 weeks instead of just once a month to see if that will help keep the oil off of my hair. So from now on, I'm going to be using this product twice a month to keep my hair cleansed. And many of you, especially if you have Sisterlocks, you know how to shampoo your hair. So if you're still in the stage where you need to bundle like I do, you basically braid your hair, bundle your hair, and then use your clarifying shampoo, or in my case, a starter shampoo, on my scalp and the rest of my locks. And so this is what I'm shampooing my hair with. And then in between shampoos or just as needed, I'm using the Sisterlock Natural Wonders Fresh Hair Spray in the fragrance Spring. And this particular product is a water-based product that has, I believe, 3 essential oils that's in this particular product. And so this is what I use as a refresher, but this also has ingredients that deodorizes the hair as well. So if you're like me and you work out or you do things where you kind of get that sweaty scalp, this actually gets rid of that odor as well. And it moisturizes the hair in a way that supports the locking process. So it's a refresher, it's a deodorizer because it's water-based, it moisturizes. So it's a really great, almost like a miracle product for my locks that I do use regularly. Now, I do not apply this every day. So one of the many things I've learned in my journey so far is that less is more when it comes to your locks. Less is more. So I'm not doing this, every day. This is a maybe once to twice a week product that I'm using in between my washes. So here's the 2 products I'm using: starter shampoo and the fresh hair in the fragrance Spring. And this product comes in at least 4 different fragrances. So how this smells, let's do a little review. If you like the smell of lemongrass and lavender, that kind of scent, that's what this smells like. I'm really curious about what the other versions of this product smells like. They have one called Earth, for example. I'd love to see what that smells like. And a couple of other fragrances too. And both can be found on the Sisterlock website. And I'll try to leave a link in the description box below so you can see where to get these if you want to try them. In my next video, though, I'm going to show you how you can actually make this actual product yourself. So if you're like me and you kind of like the DIY things every once in a while, or you live in a part of the country or the world even where you can't get Sisterlock products in your area, I'm going to show you my next video how you can make this. So stay tuned. And if you are in the United States around this time, we're getting ready to enter into our holiday season. So happy holidays to everyone. And I will catch you in the next one. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.